Hello everyone, this is introduction of register virtual device in VMP software. First, open the MxX VMP software. From the menu bar, choose Tools, Virtual Device, Register. Next, click here to copy the device code. Please send the device code to NovaStar staff and wait for them to provide the corresponding registration code. Click Import Register Code. Select the registration code file, LCS, in the pop-up window and click Open. Next, click Register. A registration success dialog box will be displayed as below. Finally, click Start Virtual Devices shown as below.